support and resistance actually means. So right now, I start from the weekly time frame. So you have to go to the weekly time frame. And the platform I use to do my analysis is the Trading View. So which is what you are seeing here, Trading View. Yes. So on this higher time frame, we will see that the market is making move to the downside, right? Don't forget that the trend is your friend. But when we look at this point, we see that there is a great support level. There's a support level at this region. You can see the support level on the weekly time frame, which is what I marked here. Then looking at the fact that there's also a what a an order block on this part. So when the candle came here, it was the right time to buy because this simply means that there are a lot of buyers that have been waiting around these order blocks, right, and also the support level in order to take the market upward. So that is the meaning, guys. So let's go to uh, the daily time frame. We have done with the weekly time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is how the chart looks like, right? So the market came down, went up, down again. We are expecting the market to also touch this, right? If the market touch, if the market goes up, right, then we'll know that it has formed a W already. Yes, I know most of us are seeing these things. You see, it will form W already. Then the next thing, once the market, because I actually bought from this level because this is also another block, which was time for me to buy. And there's other confirmation for you to also know that it is time for you to also buy the market, right? You have to look for your candle confirmation. And if you look at there, you know that you notice like there's a pin bar around that region that tells you that it is time to enter into a buy on this demand level or an order block or support level. So now what I'm expecting is I'm expecting the market, to go up here. Once the market goes there, it can play around. Yeah, I'm expecting the market to break out the W symbol and then retest, and then I will also buy the market upward. So now this tells us that we are still expecting some bearish movement in the market. Yes, there's still time rooms for the market to still be coming down before we see the great move, most especially the altcoins and the rest. So we are still expecting, and also knowing that September is always a month where the market tends to misbehave a lot. So yes, all these are speculations and these are not financial advice. You have to do your own personal research also. So this is my take up on this particular trade. So I don't really do much. I can go to my 4 hour in order to look for a perfect setup, maybe in order to determine where my stop loss and my take profit is going to be. You understand? So on the lower time frame, you see what the market is doing. Came down. The market went up, came down. So it's trying to form like an higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows before it can touch this place and then break out retest, and then we see continuation upward. So which on this lower time frame of 4 hour, we should expect the market like what the market is doing right now, you know, especially what the market is doing here right now. So you can see, yes, came down. Now the market also, so we expect the market to come down to this level and then before continuation on this is on the lower time frame. You understand? So depending on the kind of trader, that will determine the time frame you focus on, and that will determine what you need to focus on. The kind of trades you need to place. So as a position kind of traders and also a day traders, I try as much as possible to focus more on position trading because it gives me more profit, because I try as much as possible to avoid all this jumpy movement in the market and see the bigger picture of what is going to happen in the market. And at the end of the day, it also happens. But don't forget, you have to use proper risk management. Yes. Make sure to follow this channel, guys. See you in the next video.